What if I told you a faceless YouTube channel like Untold Stories has gained over 190 million views just by posting short true crime videos? They have over 411K subscribers and nearly 900 videos, which proves one thing: this niche has unlimited content and massive demand. And the best part? You can copy this exact strategy step by step. Step 1. Topic research. For topic research, go to Claude AI. Copy the topic prompt from our Google Docs in the description and paste it into Claude. It will instantly generate 10 ready-made true crime topics that are optimized for curiosity and engagement. Go through the list and pick the one that feels the most interesting or clickable, so you start with a strong idea. Step 2. Script writing. For the script, use the script prompt from the same document and paste it into the same Claude chat. Replace the Insert Topic section with your selected topic and run the prompt. Claude will generate a complete short-form script with a strong hook, engaging middle, and clean ending. Step 3. Voiceover. For the voiceover, go to Listener AI. Paste your script into the text box and try different realistic voices to match the mystery tone. Choose a clear and engaging voice, adjust speed if needed, and download the audio file. You can also use multiple Gmail accounts to access extra free credits when needed, which helps you scale content without extra cost. Step 4. Visuals. For visuals, collect clips and images that match your story. You search Google for case-related images and add stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay. If the story is fictional, just use stock images and videos. Make sure each line of your script has a matching visual to keep viewers engaged. Step 5. Editing. For editing, use Canva or any editing software you prefer. Import your voiceover, align your clips properly, and make sure everything syncs smoothly. Add subtitles for better retention and include light mystery background music from the YouTube audio library to enhance the overall feel. Once your video is ready and uploaded, make sure to add a disclaimer in your description if your story is fictional. You can simply write, "This video is based on fictional storytelling and is created for entertainment purposes only." And that's how you create a viral faceless true crime short story.